What's up, sugars? It's your girl Miracle, and today we are getting into another look. So the girls have been ready for fall. I mean, they've been ready for fall since probably August. But I'm like, slow down, sugar, slow down. I'm personally trying to rush winter, but that's just because I'm ready for Christmas. But that's neither here nor there. Today, the girls want the fall look, so we are gonna give you a fall look, honey. I'm trying to go for a lusciously fall look. I'm trying to go sexy warmth, if you will. But before we get into it, you need to go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that bell notification, because don't you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos? I'm only helping you get your life right. You have nothing else to do but sit there and watch my videos while you get your life right until the outside opens back up, because the numbers are spiking. What else you gotta do? I'll wait. We're waiting on you. Okay, now that we have taken care of business, let's get right into it.
It's naturally miracle.
I'm back. So I've already prepped the face. You already see that there's like a ashy hue going on my face. It's because I already put my moisturizer, my setting powder on, and I also did my eyebrows and applied the base on my lids to prep for the eyeshadow. If you want to see me do all of that, I have done that so many times in my other videos, so go ahead and check those out, get familiar, and come back to this video and we can get started. Since this is mainly an eye look, I wanted to go ahead and jump straight into it. But what I did do differently though, I did apply a deep shadow to my eyebrows just to give it a pop. And to really bring out the look. Not too much, but I did do just a little bit, and I actually used the palette I will be using today. It's Pat McGrath's Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette, this one right here. And I went in with the shade Major Mahogany. Went ahead and did this shade right here, okay? Just put it lightly in there, just like you're filling in your regular eyebrows, just adding that pop of colors to the look. It'll really bring it out. So since I've already prepped the lids, I'm gonna go ahead with my eyeshadow brush. I do have on lash extensions, so I have to be super careful, because if you know anything about lashes, they do shed over time, just like your natural lashes. And I don't want to be bald lash before the time is up, you know? So as a transition shade, I will be using the Ace Beauté Scarlet Dusk palette right here, and I will be using the shade. How fitting. So this shade right here, okay? It's called Shade. And like I said, I'm just gonna be using it as a transition. Okay, and so like I said, I want this look to be extremely sexy, okay? So, in warm, I am going to plaster this lid with this Major Mahogany, okay? I already showed you what that color was for my eyebrows. And we're just gonna pack it on. But like I said, I do have lash extensions, so I will be super careful and handling my lids in a different way that I would normally. But just do it as you would if you didn't have on lash extensions. That's actually a lot deeper than I thought it would be. She's giving me sexy. Okay. We love to see it. Super simple. I don't want this to be a complicated look. It's not meant to be a complicated look. It's just to really bring out that fall. And if you want to be sexy and only have to do it in 10 minutes. Literally. You really can't do this look in 10 minutes. Of course, I'm talking, you know, 10 to 20, depending on how good you are with the brushes, okay? All right, and like I said, we did plaster it on. Let me just go ahead and go back into the Scarlet Dust palette with that color shade and just lightly brush over the edges to soften that out. Okay. This is a warm look. We love to see it. Oh, okay. I just love the way this color just packs on and it really gives you that matte look. Oh my gosh. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, my black eyeliner. It is the House Laboratories eyeliner that I've been using, the Holy Grail. Being super careful with these lash extensions. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the foundation and finish up this look. And with the foundation, I am using Huda Beauty's Faux Filter Luminous Matte Foundation in the shade Nutmeg 520. Make sure you get that neck. Okay. All right, okay, and now we are going to apply the concealer, because what doesn't look right? Concealer. And then my concealer is in the shade 420. It is by Fenty Beauty. I always use it. It's just, I don't know. Fenty concealer just hits differently. And I can't let it go.
Y'all, it's this face for me. I keep making this face and I look so crazy on camera, but it's almost, I'm trying to pull the face down so that I'm getting every nook and cranny. It's almost the same thought process as when you're lifting your eyebrows. It brings the upper part of your face up. Well, when I make this face, it brings the bottom half of my face down so that I can get in those creases, so that, you know, I don't have, you know, splotches everywhere. So just bear with me. I usually try to edit it out, but this time I just I'm owning my truth. Amen.
Okay. I'm gonna go in with another concealer to contour the face, and this is Juvia's Place. I guess the shade is number 3. It has a 3 at the bottom. I don't know. I'll double check, but it'll be in the description either way. But it is this concealer right here. Boom. Okay. And y'all, when I tell y'all this concealer goes a long way, like literally just a dab will cover the entire left and right side of my face. Like I have to do this tread very lightly, because other than that, honey, you're gonna be giving drag, and I don't know if that's the look that we're going for. So just a little bit, that's probably even a little too much, but literally just right there, and that should cover the right side of my face. And then what I kind of do, because it's so much, I bring that to the chin. That way, don't have to touch it. And then I bring it up here. Okay. These hairs are being so disrespectful. I'm only doing a tutorial. Okay. Okay, girl. I know we're trying to give beauty in things. And I did notice that you have to really blend with this concealer because it's so loose. I don't want to say runny, but it is a very thin liquidy concealer. So you just have to make sure that you're blending this correctly. The coverage is amazing. It's just you have to do a little bit more work with this one. So okay, see how that did this whole right side of my face. Honey, I wasn't playing, okay? We're not trying to go overly deep. This is a warm look, not really a dramatic look. Well, it's kind of dramatic, but we don't want to go too deep. This isn't a night. It is kind of a night on the sound. Where am I going with this?
See what had happened at first was
we don't want to act as if we're performing live on Broadway, okay? This is just for the girls, nice little kiki, you know, not too much. Actually, let me fix this side. I don't know what happened over here. Okay. Ooh, see right there? Probably a little too much. But we just have to make that work, okay? No product left behind. And I'm probably going to add back to the other side, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my foundation. Ooh, she out here being disrespectful, trying to come out for you. With the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Cashew. This one right here. Just a little bit. I don't really set my entire face, but I'm just doing it for the sake of the video right now. I usually just do my T-zones, but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt because I have oily combination skin. All right. And then we're gonna go in with a deep blush. I really need to get some new blushes, y'all. I've been using the same blush for I don't know how long. It just lasts so long and it goes with every look. But just go with a deep mahogany blush. I'm not gonna show y'all this one. It looks kind of disrespectful. Okay. Can we make love like way back in the day, love? Will I ever know? I don't know why that song is in my head. Heaven only knows. Maybe that's a vibe. Then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush to kind of go across that waterline with Major Mahogany in the Pat McGrath palette to really spice it up. Ooh. Because we are giving what? Sexy, okay? See how that just really brought it out? And then I'm gonna go in with the black eyeliner for the waterline. Okay, and this is just Sephora's. Is it Sephora? Hold on, that's not the right one. Yeah, Sephora's black eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty's Mattemoiselle lipsticks. It is in the shade Griselda, okay? I usually don't need a liner with this one, so. Okay, so I'm gonna go set my face and finish up this look, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, and this is the final look. I'm really feeling myself. I'm feeling warm and cozy. I hope y'all like it too. So go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notification because boo-boo, you need to get your life right, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to help. I'm here. So just receive the help and go ahead and stream my other videos. Also, go ahead and stream my new single, Distract Me, honey, because I am singing, okay? Singing down, okay? Let me tell you, I am giving you everything in this single. So go ahead, stream the single, download the single, purchase the single, do what you gotta do to really feel this single, okay? It's a banger. It's a ballad. It's a everything. Do it, honey. And I'll be right here saying I told you so. Go ahead and share it. Do what you gotta do. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate y'all watching the videos. I appreciate you streaming my singles, doing everything that you all are doing. I've enjoyed my time with y'all in this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.